Hi, today we will discuss regarding medical device manufacturing license procedure in India. Earlier this license was granted on Form 28 or Form 25. Now this license is granted on Form MD5 or MD9 or similar other forms. Medical devices, as per Medical Devices Rules 2017, are divided into four categories, that is A, B, C and D. For category A and B, which are less critical, the license is granted by state FDA, which is located in the capital of the state. And for getting this license, audit of the facility is done by notified bodies like Intertech, BSCIC, etc., which after inspection will send their report to state FDA, who in turn will grant the license. Official fees for grant of state license or for category A and B license is rupees 5,000, and there is an additional rupees 500 per product items fees. There is an inspection fees also, which is payable directly to the notified body, and the fees depends upon the number of products. It varies between rupees 80,000 to 2 lakh rupees or more. Medical device license is granted via CDSCO portal. For category C and D medical devices, license is granted by DCGI CDSCO New Delhi. Audit is conducted by joint team of CDSCO officers. After audit report is sent to DCGI office New Delhi by the inspecting drug inspectors, the DCGI office issues the or grants the license. The official fees for C and D category license, which is critical, is rupees 50,000, and there is an additional fees of rupees 1,000 per product. Obtaining biocompatibility test report, stability studies reports, validation, etc. are necessary before grant of license. For obtaining the test license, CDSO asks for rupees 500 per product. Complete license procedure takes between 6 months to 8 months. Our company Pharmadocx Consultants, having offices at Sonipat and Delhi, helps you to get these licenses. You may contact us on contact@pharmadocx.com, or you can call us on 98961 33556. We will help you in obtaining these licenses. Now let us discuss what are the various documents required for getting medical device manufacturing license. First of all, we need documents of proprietor or owners or directors of the company. Aadhar card as a residence proof is required. Then company documents like constitution details, GST certificates or partnership deed or MOA, AOA, CIN, etc. are required. And other than that, we need premises ownership proof. Suppose you have the premises on rent, then we need rent agreement. If it is your own premises, then we need registration of the premises. There are requirements of two technical staffs for this particular license. One is for manufacturing, one is for testing. So for both of them, we need their Aadhar card, their qualification documents, and 2-year experience certificate in the concerned field. Like the manufacturing technical staff shall have 2-year experience in manufacturing of medical device, and testing technical staff shall have experience of 2 years in the related testing of medical device. We need list of products you want to manufacture so that we can categorize it into A, B, C, D category. We'll be needing fire NOC and pollution NOC. Layout we can design. Then we'll be needing plant master file, which also we ourselves can make. We can also make device master file for your products. You need to get your products biocompatibility tested from any NABL approved lab. Also got to do your product stability studies so that it is ensured that the shelf life of the product does not decompose. And we need your QMS, means your ISO 13485 certificate. and your raw material suppliers or your component suppliers ISO 13485 certificate. If it is supplied by various vendors, then we need ISO 13485 for all those vendors. We need your list of machinery, and if you are already holding any license like wholesale drug license or Form 28 or Form 25 or any import license, then provide copy of that license also. Now let us discuss the complete procedure for obtaining medical device license. This license has to be applied on CDSCO portal. First of all, you need to register your company on CDSCO and upload the required documents as required by the website. After a few days, the CDSCO will scrutinize the documents and will issue user ID and password. After getting user ID and password, you need to apply for test license. This is done on the CDSCO portal and rupees 500 per product fees is charged. After applying the test license on Form MD12, you will get a test license on MD13 by CDSCO headquarter Delhi. After that, you need to purchase small amount of components or raw materials and pouches and packing material so that you can make pilot batches. After making pilot batches, you need to send them to biocompatibility testing laboratory, stability testing laboratory, and physical testing laboratory as per the ISO or BIS standard of that product. You also need to do process validations, ETO validation, etc. After completion of all these tests, you need to apply online on the CDSCO portal for, first of all, for A and B class of products. So after applying, FDA officer will send your application to any notified body and ask them to conduct your audit. Notified body will send you a quotation by calculating the man days that will be involved in doing your audit. And after you submit the required funds, the notified body will audit your premises and do the audit as per various schedules. After audit, notified body may raise some queries which you have to reply. On your successful reply, notified body will recommend grant of license to the state drugs controller. State drug controller, upon receipt of recommendation by notified body, will issue license on Form MD5 along with list of items. This all procedure takes around 6 months. Now we will discuss regarding the procedure to get Class C and D products manufacturing license, which is called as Form MD9. So after completion of the tests like biocompatibility, stability and physical test, you need to apply online Form MD7 at CDSCO portal. After your application will be scrutinized by zonal offices of CDSCO. CDSCO has zonal offices at various locations, mainly at Ghaziabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Indore, Guwahati, Jammu, Baddi, etc. So whichever zone you falls under, they will conduct your audit. First of all, they will review your application and they may raise some queries. After your successful reply, they will inspect your premises. Please note that there is no inspection fees, and during inspection, if any NCs are observed, you are supposed to reply them. After your successful reply, CDSCO zonal office will send a license recommendation to DCGI office Delhi, which in turn will issue you license digitally and online. Please note, no physical license is issued by CDSCO, only online license is issued, which you can yourself download. You will also get an email from the department. Please note that the companies who are already holding Form 28, whenever they want to convert their license on CDSCO portal, they shall not select the retention option, because if they select retention option, they won't get additional item permission. So always select fresh whenever you want to convert your Form 28 to MD license. Please note that your Form 28 license number will be abolished and you will be issued a new fresh license number, which will remain continue throughout life, and you need to pay fees for every 5 years to get it retention done. If you need any help from our side for applying your license or helping you in obtaining the license, we'll surely do. Please contact Pharmadocx Consultants, Old DC Road, Sonipat, or Netaji Subhas Place, Delhi, or you can call us at 98961 33556 or contact@pharmadocx.com. Thanks.